What's up, guys? Subscribe, like, and comment so we have a collab with Craft a Beard. I'm at his house right now.
Oh my god.
Oh my god. Yeah.
It's like
our
so many
like
bugs.
right there. Like there's an entrance in there. But we're going to the other woods today. And I got a spear that I just had. I found. Yeah, so we're going to the fort. This will be some fun. Yeah, the woods. The woods. We're gonna make a fort soon. Well, we're going there. I'm gonna pause right now, and I'm gonna go. Wait, I'm gonna go show you guys when we're there. So stay tuned. All right. So well, I just got back a little bit, so we're just like on the trail right now. But the house is like right there. It's like a big farm.
Where's Melanie? We left her at home.
Yeah, she's allowed to go home. Melanie has to stay home. She's a little girl. Ava, come on. You should be in front of us.
You have it upside down.
Okay, but they can still see you.
They can see me upside down.
No, they don't. They don't see you upside down. I know, Eva, come on. So we gotta get to this hike. All right, guys, pause. Oh God, I'm pausing it right now so we can get there. Well, we just gotta let another one. Well, he's gone. He just didn't want to come. So
the exact pathway or the way?
let's go to the fun pathway. All right.
Come on, Fat.
The fun pathway. All right, we're on the hike. Eli, watch out. Come on, Eli. I mean, that's that. Come on. But guys, you really subscribe and like, and put post notifications. I really need it. And put the post notifications so you know when every time I make a new video. I should be in front of them. I don't know why. Yeah, we're going to the woods so we can live in the woods. We're gonna spend 100 days in the woods. You ready?
Having no food.
Yeah, we're gonna make ourselves some food. We're gonna find berries to eat.
Berries? That's poison berries. Don't look at me.
You know what? Let's go make a fishing rod so we can go fish some food and then we're gonna go light up a campfire so we can cook the fish and we can eat it.
I don't like fish.
Well, now you're gonna eat it or else you're gonna starve to death.
Okay, so we're in the footpath.
All right, we're going this way.
Where are you going?
Our fort used to be like right. Our fort used
This is a scary cat.
yeah.
Ew,
Our
look,
fort used to be right there,
berries.
but like literally it was a fort, but we made it out of vines and it broke. Literally from,
Hey, look.
I think it was like from one of the hurricanes.
Berries over there.
I don't know, like one of the hurricanes, but like it was over here somewhere.
Be careful here.
Yeah, there could be some thorns, but at the other woods there's like a lot of thorns. No, we're gonna.
It's a long
Yeah. Oh, our fort used to be like right there. Yeah, this is where our fort was. Our fort was right here. Literally broke. You see?
It broke.
Yeah, our
I
fort
broke
broke.
it.
The hurricane broke it.
I'm gonna go get a bear out.
I remember this place. It's been so long. It's been super long, guys. Like super long since I've been here. Since I've been to these woods.
Help me.
Oh, just look. Move it away. Come on, Ava. Oh. You guys? Those are not thorns.
I know what
Want me to drink it? Well, then hold it like this. Like a staff.
I got a spear, aka staff.
I got a stabber, right?
Yeah, Ava got a spear too.
Stab people.
Yep. No, we don't stab people. We're not gonna stab people. We're gonna kill some animals so we can eat.
Yeah.
The last time I was at like the other woods and I found like a chopped head of an animal. And that was crazy. Okay, we just got gotta find the way.
It looks
Through the
so
woods.
cool, right?
Yeah, through the woods. Well, guys, I'm gonna come back when we make a fort. Alright, guys, I just got back. We don't have a fort yet, but I think we're getting closer because we used to have like a other fort over here, and like it was like somewhere here. And Emma, be in front of us. Come on. Like Eli, you should be in front of. Should be right next to Eli. All right, get next to Eli. All right. I am next to you. That's why I'm telling you to get next to Eli. Yes. Oh God, there's a lot of sticks.
Fine by me. Whoa.
What?
That thing used to be up. I remember this tree. I climbed it before.
Wait, let's put our fort over here. Let's put our fort over here.
Leah, look. This tree.
Yeah.
It has a beehive in the bottom of it. I don't know how it fell or when it fell.
Guys, we should.
Are you recording?
Yeah. We should put our fort here.
No, take a picture of it. Take a video of it.
Yeah, look at this dude. Look at this.
I don't know how this thing broke. This was the entrance to the fort.
Yeah.
Careful.
I remember the other fort where it had like so much thorns.
Wait for me!
This one has a bunch of thorns. So
Wait for me!
Yeah, this one has a bunch of thorns, and it just
there's
fell.
a back way that's actually a little easier
And
to
it
get
just
in.
like fell down.
Ava, we have to go back home. Your mom and me, your mom and my mom's going to say, where's Ava? Where's Eli?
Hey Leo, record this.
What?
And they're going to say, where's Eli and Ava?
Pastor Builder, go.
You're going to say that. We have to go back home.
I'm gonna get you.
Where's this?
Why you crying? Wait, let me climb up the tree. Let me see if I can actually. Let me put my stick down. And put it right there. Let's see if I can climb this thing. Oh, yeah, record me. Oh God, this is so slippery.
Yeah, it is. Look how tall that thing is. This thing used to have a beehive in the bottom of it.
Oh God,
Can you take me home?
slippery. I can fall from this.
You want me to take you home? Why do you want to go home?
Because I'm scared over here.
Fine, I'll take you home.
Yeah, I'm gonna take you home.
And then we're going to come back out here.
Yeah,
Here, Leo.
I'm gonna pause the video. Ava, get your staff.
Ava, you want to go home too?
No, I'm good. That's my Ava.
Ava's a little stronger.
Yeah, Ava's a little stronger. And she's a girl. Ava, get your staff. It's right there. Come on. Get it. Come on. You gotta go. Take. Yeah. Yeah. Cool. Yeah, he's gonna take him home. We're just gonna explore right here. Oh. Yeah. It's like a lot of things over here. A lot of. Oh, what's over here? We can make a fort over here. Like this can be our fort right here. Literally, you can go under there. That can be a fort. What the heck was that?
Is it a ghost in here? Why is it moving?
I just heard something. I literally just heard something, guys. What the heck was that? I just literally heard something.
Be quiet over there.
I think I came over here. Yeah, I came from over here. I don't know what it is, but let's just keep on.
Right here and
Got a lot of sticks and trees and leaves
and bricks.
That's how the nature is. Literally, we can make a house out of vines and sticks. We've done it before. Oh God. Yeah, we've done it before. I mean, but we already knew it was gonna fall down because it was out of vines and sticks. From the hurricane. The hurricane was bad. But that was like 2 years ago.
We need to make it as a bricks.
Bricks?
Yeah.
I recommend you don't touch these white stuff on here because I don't know what they are, so I recommend you don't touch it.
You can touch
Because
it
it
with
could
the
be,
stick.
yeah, but it could be something poisonous.
I want to touch it.
Nope, don't even. Probably something poisonous.
Nothing happened. But I got a little bit white.
Yeah.
So don't touch it. This tree must be poisonous.
There's like a stick on it.
I got it.
Stick right here. Alright, she put it off and then she just put it on me and it fell on the ground. I remember we used to have like these little sticks and then we put our book bags on here because we don't take supplies. But today we didn't do that. We didn't take any supplies.
Because we got it clean.
All the supplies we took was our staff, so we can stay safe. What the heck was that? Oh, it's just you. It's just Armani, the crafter builder. Here, check out our channel.
No,
You ran?
Yeah.
I'm on it.
Yeah.
All right. So where are we gonna put our fort at? Because we need to get our supplies. Because we didn't even get our supplies.
This way.
Let's go get our supplies.
Our supplies. Yeah, we gotta get some
We
supplies.
need some stuff to get me bored.
And if this video is copyrighted, I don't know what to say because I was just going in the woods.
Oh no, some white stuff on this stone.
Yeah, don't touch that. I think it's poisonous.
Careful.
Alright. Ava, come here. We gotta jump down. Alright, we're over here. Oh god, it's clutching.
Bro, this is poisonous.
Oh god.
Break them.
If I made you to hold this.
Oh, okay. Okay, so.
They were like breaking.
Don't mind me. Because,
Look at them. Okay. So I'm gonna pick up the trigger and then break it. Watch me, watch me.
wait. Oh! I hurt myself. On my thigh.
I can hold it. I can hold it.
You okay?
You okay, Eva? Your thigh?
I hurt my thigh with this stick.
We lost 2 people already. They went back home because they're scaredy cats.
I'm not. I'm a kid. I'm still a kid.
I know.
I'm not scared cat.
Well, the other 2 were scaredy cats.
I'm not even scared.
Watch out, Leo.
Scary movies,
Go on that
right,
side.
Leo?
You guys can stand over there.
We gotta clear all this out. Oh shit.
Oh, I just broke it.
Battery's running
Good.
low.
Careful you don't stab yourself. Here.
Alright. Yeah, because look, you can actually stab yourself in this. Wait. Put on it. Grandma.
I even have an extra one here.
Right there.
Stabber.
That's
Alright, come on this side.
Come on, let's
like a
get our
spear.
supplies.
We need to take this out.
Look,
No, that's gonna hold up the fort.
Oh yeah.
Gonna lift it up.
Yeah, we just need to like put it up.
Come on this side.
Let's get our supplies.
No, wait, we're not getting our supplies right now. Well, I'm gonna have to end it right now.
Rotten.
I'm gonna have to end it right now. So bye, guys. If you want a part 2, bye. We out. Subscribe, like, post notifications. We out. We out. We out.